Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot and welcome to today's tutorial. So today's tutorial is all about Manta Testnet, and the first thing we'll be doing is adding Manta Network to our Metamask. So we're going to paste the link in our browser and it will take us to Manta website where we'll be able to add the network to our Metamask, and that is what you are seeing on my screen right now. So tap on Add Chain to Metamask. But first you need to be on the testnet. You can see that this website is currently displaying mainnet. So tap on that drop down and then change to testnet. Now that we are on testnet, then you can go ahead and then add the chain to Metamask. You're going to approve and then you are going to switch the network to Manta. Next, you are going to claim some testnet funds on Goerli. So tap on request faucet funds on Goerli, paste your wallet address, check the captcha at the bottom and then tap on receive funds. Then next we are going to request some testnet funds on Manta Network. So tap on request faucet funds to Manta Network. Paste your wallet address, check the captcha, then tap on receive funds. Now that all funds have been sent successfully to your address, you're going to scroll to the bottom and that is where you'll find their bridge. And what we want to do here is we want to deposit some Goerli into Manta Network, and you have to be on the deposit tab as you can see here, but first connect your wallet. So tap on connect wallet. Then because we are sending from Goerli, you would have to switch your network to Goerli to be able to send from Goerli to Manta. Now indicate the amount of Goerli ETH you would like to send to Manta. Make sure that your sender network is Goerli and then your receiver network is Manta Pacific. Indicate the amount. Then tap on deposit. So you would confirm that in your wallet. So this actually took some minutes, but I had to, pause the video while I was making it so that I won't waste our time. So now that the deposit is successful, the next item on the list is to also send some funds from Manta to Goerli. But then before you do that, you're going to go into your Metamask and you're going to switch your network back to Manta. So I'll tap on Manta Pacific Testnet, and now that I am on Manta, I will go back to the bridging website to continue my interaction. So you would switch to the withdraw tab of the website. Now that you are on withdraw, indicate the amount of Manta Pacific Testnet that you want to send to Goerli. Then tap on withdraw. You would also confirm that in your wallet. So this part also took me several minutes before it was successful, but then I had to cut the video so that I won't waste our time. Go to account and switch to withdrawals under account, and then you can see your transaction status. So you can see that the transaction is still pending, so we won't wait here until the transaction is successful. I'll move on to the next item. So go into your browser and then we are going to download Manta Wallet. So paste the link to the Chrome extension on your browser. So this is the wallet we want to download. Then tap on Add to Chrome. After successfully downloading the wallet extension, go into your wallet and then set it up. Tap on Get Started. If it's your first time using a Manta Wallet, then tap on Create a new account. If you have been using it before, then you tap on I already have an account. It's my first time, so I'm tapping on Create new account, then enter your password. Check the checkbox at the bottom here and then tap on Create. Afterwards, write down your seed phrase somewhere safe and then tap on Continue, and then your account is set up. Then after setting up your account, the next thing you want to do here is you want to mint 3 different types of NFT. And when you get to the website, you are going to see that it is not supported on mobile, so switch your browser to desktop mode, and that is when you'll be able to access the website. And funny enough, out of the 3 NFTs we are here to mint, I was only able to mint 1, but still I'm going to leave the link to the 3 NFTs in the comment section for your convenience, and if you are able to mint the 3 or at least 2 out of the 3, then good for you. So connect your wallet with Manta, approve it. This is a multi-signature wallet. This means that after connecting your wallet, you still need to verify. So tap on Verify Holder at the bottom of Free Mint, then select Metamask. You need 2 wallets to be able to access this kind of website. Enter your password and unlock. Tap on Next, tap on Connect. So the first NFT is actually for those who were able to claim Arbitrum Airdrop. These people were pressed up during their Airdrop distribution, and they are still oppressing us even during Testnet interaction. It is well sharp. So I'll move on to the next one. I'll paste the link in my browser. So fortunately I was able to claim this one, and this second NFT is for those who have Galxe passport. I have Galxe passport, so I am eligible to claim it. And if you don't know how to claim your Galxe passport, please let me know. I think I will look for the link and then share with us later. So connect with your Manta wallet, enter your password, unlock it, and then Verify Holder. Tap on Verify Holder under the Free Mint and then connect with your Metamask. So it is detecting whether I'm eligible or not. So thankfully I am eligible because I have Galxe passport. So I'll go to the side of the browser, and this button right here, that is the mint button, but the network is very unstable and the button may not be active for a long time. Actually, when I was making this video, I had to leave it and then come back after 1 hour. That is when the button was active, this button right here. So if you're experiencing that on your end, if the button is not coming up for you to tap on it, then know that you are not the only one, and that is how the website is operating currently. So I came back after an hour and you can see that the button is now active, so it has mint. I'll tap on mint. Sign the mint transaction in your wallet. Confirm the transaction. The minting is in progress. So you can see the network is very unstable, so if the website is being kind of glitchy, just know that it's normal, at least for now. Then you see this message request, sign it, approve it. If you want to know whether you've been able to successfully mint your NFT, tap on my zkNFTs and then you can see it here. You can see the Galxe, Galxe passport here. So I have been able to mint this NFT, thank God though. Then I will move to the last one. I'll go back to my browser and then I'll paste the link to the last NFT. Unfortunately, I was not eligible to mint this NFT as well. So I'll connect my wallet and then I'll also connect with my Metamask. And you can see I am not eligible. I think it's for those who have done Linea interaction, and I have not done any interaction on Linea up to this moment, so I am not eligible to claim the third NFT. If you're able to claim more than one, then good for you. I'm going to leave the link to the 3 NFTs in the comment section. So there is also Galxe interaction for Manta Testnet, and let's go to Galxe and see. Actually, it is more than all the follow on Twitter, like a post task. It is like a different tutorial on its own that requires some interaction. I am also still, getting to know the task. So when I'm able to do mine, then I'll make a different tutorial on how to go about the Galxe interaction for Manta. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on the part 2 of this video and other important updates in the future. Like this video if you have found value in it, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial.